Buenas and hafade manyanahud and manyaluhu si Pete Santos Tatlu. Again, I am running for Attorney General of Guam next year in 2026. One of the questions I get is Kalo Hadzio. So please allow me to share my personal history and background with everyone. I was born in Agate 50 years ago at a place called Round Table to a teenage single mother. I was raised by my grandmother, who herself had 12 children. We lived in a tin shack with no electricity or indoor plumbing. And in 1976, when our shack was destroyed by Typhoon Pamela, we moved up to Santa Rita where I was raised. When I was 12, we moved to California, and my mom became addicted to drugs. We were homeless for a while and even lived in a homeless shelter. In order to help feed my brother and baby sister, I worked under the table at a mom and pop store, sweeping, mopping, and stocking shelves. I also had a paper route and I mowed lawns to earn money to get what me and my siblings needed to survive. When I could legally work at 15 and a half, I worked as a busboy and a dishwasher at a restaurant. Until I was 18 years old, we were on welfare, food stamps, Section 8 housing, and free lunch. After graduating from high school up in Washington State, I came back to Guam and I joined the Guam Police Department, where I served for 8 years. During that time, I attended the University of Guam under the Doc Sanchez Scholarship. As soon as I graduated with my undergraduate degree, I went active duty, and I have 4 combat deployments to Operation Iraqi Freedom and Operation Enduring Freedom in Afghanistan. The Army paid for me to go to law school, and as soon as I was able to get out, I came back and became a local prosecutor, where I did that for 5 years. I then transitioned over to the Alternate Public Defender's Office, where I'm at, and I serve as a defense counsel, and I've been doing that for 5 years. I am a native grassroots son of Guam, and I don't have any business affiliations, nor am I affiliated with any political party, and I am not beholden to any politicians. On a personal note, I'm a family man. I have 7 children. I put God first, and I am a staunch supporter of perpetuating the Chamorro language, customs, and culture. I am an avid woodworker, a metal worker, and I love to cook. I am just a man with very humble beginnings who has pulled himself up and have a long story of public service to our island of Guam and our country, the United States of America. I care deeply about our people and our home, and I am deeply bothered by what has happened under the last 2 attorneys general. We have seen that office utterly destroyed and taken so far backwards. I am just flabbergasted at how much harm has been caused to the people of Guam. Guam needs an attorney general with integrity, great leadership, relevant experience, and most of all, competence to rebuild that office from the ashes that it's in now. Now, I am known as a great problem solver and a fixer in tremendous challenges. I am the best candidate to rebuild the Attorney General's office. I urge everyone to choose me, Peter J. Santos, for the next Attorney General in 2026, because I am by far the best candidate. Thank you. Dan si Zeus Maasi. Ugway zaham de todos. Tau Guam. Viva Guam.